In this video, I'll be showing you how you add date and time on the Microsoft document you're working on. So I'm going to show you guys how you can add a date that's going to update automatically and one that's going to be permanent there too as well. So now let's place the cursor where we want to add our date. Yeah. So I place my cursor there. So what I'm going to do is I move to the Insert tab here. After the Home, you move to Insert tab here. And then you come to the text and you should see this here, date and time. Tap on that. And you can see there are lots of formats here. Yeah. So choose any of them. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, 11th March. Okay. And I put my date here. So you can see that the update here, right? So if you want to make your date a one that's going to update itself automatically, let me show you guys how you do that. You see this here, update automatically. You check that. Check it like this. If you don't want it to update, you uncheck it. That's the trick, nothing else. So after that, you press on OK and it's good to go. Yeah. So that's it on how you add a date and time on Microsoft Word document, and one that updates itself and one that doesn't update itself. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section, and I think that's it for the video. Peace.